This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trendy market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. Okay, so on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. If you always do what you've always done, you will always get what you have always gotten. And that is so true. So we're going to switch over to our charts today. And everyone can get their charts out as usual. We're going to just do our quick housekeeping rules. First rule of trading is make sure you always pay yourself first. Second rule of trading is that you're going to drop the stop loss in at your entry point only after your trade has taken off and you're seeing some really good profits. Go ahead and drop that stop loss in. Our third rule of trading is our 50 period simple moving average. That is our buy sell indicator. But when that buy sell indicator is positioned in between the 200 and 500 simple moving average, that is our no buy, no sell zone. And our fourth and final rule of trading is patience. As easy as that, friends. It's not rocket science. Those are our four rules of trading. Okay, we're going to start with EUR USD. Okay, friends, this particular chart is still rule number three is in effect. No buy, no sell. That's still in effect for that particular chart. GBP USD. This is also another chart where rule number three is in effect. USD CHF. Okay, friends, now we were selling this market. It appears that this market is going to go buy. I would not place a buy trade as of yet. I would just be patient and wait. We did have a sell trade in there. If you want to go ahead and maybe exit out your sell trade, go, but do not place a buy order right now as of right now. Okay, no buy orders for right now. Okay, we'll go ahead and take our minor loss and go ahead and jump out of that market. Okay. We usually will have to take minor losses maybe about 2 or 3 times a month, which is no big deal because we're paying ourselves every day. Okay, GBUSD JPY. Rule number three is in effect. No buy, no sell there. EURCHF. Okay. Rule number three is in effect for everyone who's currently not in this trade. Now, everyone else, we've been buying this market for a while. We're going to go ahead and pay ourselves today. And just as a reminder, make sure you have your stop loss in at your entry point. But go ahead and pay yourself off this market. Everyone else who didn't get in early like we did, you stay out the market. Rule number three is in effect. EUR GBP. This is also a buy market. We've been buying this for a while. The market has kind of been going sideways, but this is still a buy market. We're going to hold our buy trades open. EURJPY. This is another buy market. We have our buy order in, but the market has been kind of sluggish and it has not rallied to even hit our order. But we have it sitting there waiting in the event in case the market does rally. So patience. That buy order and we will reposition with our sell order. But right now we're just hanging out. Okay, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. A lot of people are interested in this market. Rule number three is in it for Bitcoin. So if you're not already in this market, we have missed our window. Okay, we're out of it. ETHUSD. This is another market. Rule number three is in effect. So we're not in it. We're not going to get into it. Okay, we missed our window. LTC This is another market. Rule number three is in effect. So just word to the wise. Some of these markets, these Bitcoin markets, they're very slow moving markets. Not a whole bunch of volatility. A lot of day traders may choose not to get involved in these markets. At least day trading. You may do like the 15-minute chart, something like that. But for day trading, there's just not that much movement. So you just have to have to figure that out for yourself. Okay. Now let's take a look at silver. Silver, rule number three is in effect for silver. Okay. No buy, no sell for us unless you're already in that. Let's take a look at gold. This is a buy market for gold. Now there has been some pullbacks. We were in it once upon a time, but we had a stop loss in at our entry point that actually knocked us out of the market. So we're not in this market, okay? And we're not going to get in it for a minute. We're just going to wait and see how things are looking. USD MXN. This is a sell market. We've been selling and we're going to pay ourselves on this market today. So friends, you're in that, pay yourselves. EURNOK. This is a buy market. We've been buying this. Just some little minor pullbacks, but this is a buy market. EURZAR. This is another buy market. We're buying and we're going to pay ourselves today off of this market. And we got our stop loss in our entry point, so our trade is protected. USD NOK. This is another buy market. We've been buying it. Looks good. We're going to pay ourselves, and we got our stop loss in at our entry point. In the event the market takes a head south, it will knock us out the market, no loss, okay? But we're going to pay ourselves today nicely on this particular market. USD SEK. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell. We're staying off that for a while. USD SGD. Okay, friends, this particular market, it's going to be a buy. I think we talked about this yesterday. If you're going to get in this market, make sure it's buy stop orders only, okay? We're getting our first indication that this is going to be a buy market. We had been selling it, but our sell order is so far up, you can continue to, if you still have a sell order because we had a sell order in here probably since, I don't know, December of last year. We've just been paying ourselves every day. And then now that the trend has changed, we're not going to pull out our sell order because it's still very profitable. We're just going to continue to pay ourselves off of that order. But now that the trend has changed further down, we're going to go ahead and drop in a buy order, a buy stop order, okay? Comment if you have questions on how to do that. USD ZAR. This is also a buy market. We have our buy stop order in, but the market has pulled back and has never hit our buy order. So we have to be patient and wait. CAD CHF. Okay, this is a sell market. This is a sell. We've been selling this since the inception. So as soon as these trends change, friends, you know how I like to get in right at the beginning when I see these trends changes. We jump in with both feet, place our trade, and we like to ride these markets all the way down. As I have said before, this trend lasts up to from 6 months to 2 years. So we get in early and we pay ourselves every day. If you have a decent size account, you can up your lot size a little bit. You have to be careful about that though. But you have a little bit, that way you're able to pay yourselves a lot every day. But, be careful with that. CAD JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who's currently not in this market. We got in this market early on with our sale, and we're going to pay ourselves off of this market. But everyone else, no buy, no sell. EURCAD. Okay, this, friends, is a buy market. I'm not sure how many people are still in this market. Oh, actually it's changed to a sell market, friends. But we're not going to place any sell trades. We're not placing any sell trades. So the rest of us, we're going to pay ourselves. We got into this market probably, I don't know, maybe a month or so, 6 weeks ago, and we've been paying ourselves ever since. So we're in this market. We're paying ourselves. Everyone else, the trend has changed to a sell market, but I would not place any sell trades at this time, okay? Just be patient and wait this one out. GBP CAD. Okay, rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who's currently not in this market. Everyone else, pay yourselves. USD CAD. Okay, this is also a sell market, but some major pullbacks have happened in this sell market. We don't have a trend change as of yet. If in the event that all these pullbacks create a trend change, we will let you know. We have a sell order in there which never triggered because it kept pulling back. We'll go ahead and delete that sell order and we will reposition with a buy order. Okay, but we'll let you know. AUD, CAD. This is a buy market too, friends. Pullbacks have happened, but the trend has not changed. So we're just going to hold that trade open, our buy trade open. AUD, CHF. This is also another buy market. This particular we had a buy order in which never triggered because the market continued to pull back on us significantly, but the trend has not changed. So we're going to hold that buy order open. So friends, when you see these major pullbacks, there are a lot of different happenings. There's a lot of different strings that are controlling the price of a country's currency, and we as traders are not privy to all the ins and outs and happenings, what's happening in a country to know either whether to buy or to sell. But what we do have is the chart in front of us. So when the chart says that the trend is a buy, it's a buy. When it's a sell, it's a sell. That's 100% on. That is something we can trust. Okay. Okay, let's move on to AUD JPY. Okay, so rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who's currently not in this market. Everyone else, we got in early. We're going to pay ourselves. We got our stop loss in. Everything's gravy. Everything's wonderful. AUD NZD. Rule number 3 is in effect. Friends, we have missed our window. Can't get in there. We have to wait that one out. AUD USD. This is another market. Rule number 3 is in effect. We're not in it right now. We're going to wait it out. And it's all for our protection, friends. Waiting is for our protection. When we see the market in the danger zone, our 50-period simple moving average is positioned between those points. That is the danger zone. We stay out of the danger zone, okay? Okay, so EURAUD. This is a sell market, friends. Major pullbacks have happened in the sell market, but the trend has not changed, so we have to be patient and wait, okay? EURNZD. Okay, this is a buy market. I'm not sure how many people are in this one, but make sure if you're buying it, make sure you got your stop loss in at your entry point and pay yourselves, okay? GBP AUD. Rule number 3 is in effect. We're not in this one, friends. GBP NZD. Okay, this is a buy market, so I'm not sure how many people got in there. Make sure you're doing buy stop orders only. NZD CAD. Okay, this is a sell market. We have our sell order in, friends, but the market pulled back on us. Our sell order never triggered, but we have to use rule number 4. We just have to be patient and wait, okay? NZD CHF. Okay, friends, this is a sell market. We got a sell order in, I think, a week or so ago. We're going to pay ourselves today. And now that the market has started to rally, we do have our stop loss in at our entry point. So hopefully you got your stop loss in at your entry point and go ahead and pay yourselves today. NZD JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell, friends. We're staying out of that. NZD USD. This is another market. Rule number 3 is in effect. We're staying out of this market. We don't want to put ourselves in harm's way, okay? US 30 index. This is also rule number 3. Very volatile market, up and down with this with the Dow Jones, very, very up and down and volatile. So we like volatility, but this market is in the danger zone, so that's why we do not touch those markets, okay? Now we're going to look at the S&P 500, which is the US 500 index. This market too is in the danger zone. Rule number 3 is in effect. Rule number 3 and rule number 4, patience. We're going to wait this one out. And then US Tech Index. This is also rule number 3 in effect. We're out of this market. No touch that. Japan Index. Okay, friends, this was a buy market. We were actually buying this market, paying ourselves nicely every day. And we had our stop loss in at our entry point. And then when things took a turn for the worse and things started to head south, the pullbacks actually knocked us out of the market with no loss. So we're not in that market anymore. It was great while it lasted, but then when the market turns, headed south, knocked us off the market. No big deal. We got our money, and we got it. The market knocked us out. Okay. DE30 index. This is also another buy market. We're buying it. Look, pullbacks are happening, but we're just going to wait it out. It's still a buy market, so we're not worried. We're just going to have to be patient. Okay. Patience is a virtue. UK 100 index. Okay, this is also a buy market. Now, we were in this market too, friends. We were paying ourselves nicely. We had our stop loss at the entry point, and so when things went south, it hit our stop loss at our entry point, knocked us out. So we made our money. We made some money, and then the market turned, and we're out of it. So we have to wait for our next opportunity. So it's going to be plenty of opportunities to get in. We get in, we get out. The market takes us out, or we have to take minor losses, maybe 2-3 times a month. No big deal, because we win so much in the beginning, so we have to take minor losses. So you're probably going to win about 7 out of 10 times. You're never going to win 10 out of 10 times, but a true consistent trader can hope to win 7 out of 10 times. And so that is our goal, to win 7 out of 10 times. So, okay, friends, we will be back tomorrow for more daily financial wisdom and trending market analysis.